what you will learn and other advanced technical skill and tips. One of it is PHP that we are going to be using as our dynamic programming language in this course. The next is HTML, which you use for the UI, and the CSS, which you use to design the appearance, making it look good and structured. Then the next we are going to look into is vanilla JavaScript. So we are going to be learning how to use basic vanilla JavaScript. So we are also going to be learning how to use the AJAX request in this class that we are going to, this course that we are starting. Then we also learn to use jQuery. Then we also learn to structure our project, because every project has a structure. So we're going to be teaching you how to structure your project when you are starting your project, so that it will be easy for you to manage in the future term. We're also looking at the PHP admin. So PHP admin is where your database environment is going to be residing. So we'll teach you how to set it up, how to access it, and do other functionality in your application with it. So MySQL, which also we're going to be using in this course. So local server, we also need a local server, which, for example, like WAM, XAMPP, and all that. So we're going to look at database design, how you to design your database to suit your application. Each application have a database design. For example, if you are creating a static application, you don't need database, but if you are creating a dynamic application, you need a database. So the database is simply a location where all your information, your details, your item are being stored. Okay, so whenever you need this, you can easily go there and pick it out, fetch it out. So we are going to be showing you how to do all of this in this program. Okay, the next is database query. When you save or when you sort, when you save your information in a database location, so you need to query to get it back. For instance, if you keep your items in the store and whenever you need it, what do? You have to walk to the store. Maybe you open the store with your key, you get in and pick the item that you want to pick, you close it back and you go and present the item to whoever that needs it, right? Exactly. So same thing we are going to be doing with that same thing. Database query is all about. You go to the database, query it with the program language that we're going to be using, then pick the item, the details, the information from the database, and send it to the UI, and it will display it for the user to see. So that's what you're looking into. So in our next video, we'll talk about other things that we are going to be teaching you in this course.